Today I will show you how you can add video from social media platforms as YouTube or Facebook to your Wix website. To add a player, just go on Add, Video, and you have your selection of video players. For now, let's use YouTube. And we have a placeholder video inside, so let's change the video. Go and change video. And here you have the option to search for the video you want directly from the Wix editor. I'm looking for the tutorial we made for this year, and we just add it, and here it is. We have some options about auto-playing on loading, so the video just starts playing as soon as a person comes on the website, if it should play in a loop, and when the controls are shown of the video, on hover or never. Those are the basic settings, and now let's just change the layout a bit. So we can enlarge the video and drag it to a place where we want it to be. I'm just centering it right here. And then under layout, we can say, okay, do we want the video's title to show or do we want to hide it? Let's just keep it hidden for now. Then under the design tab, we have some options how to frame the video. So without a frame, we have a little border, we have a shadow here. And if we don't like any of the frames, we can always do our own design. So under customize design, we can change the border. We take a width, then we can make the corners round and even add our own shadow just as we want it. So let's add the opacity, and with the angle, let's angle it this way. And this is how we can design our own shadow and borders for our video. Let's go on preview a bit and look how the video will look when it gets played. So click on it.
Hello. Today we will be going over how to create your own website.
And now the controls are on
videos
hover. As you can see, this is how the YouTube videos would be shown on your website. Let's add a second one from Facebook and see how it differs. So we just as before, we add the Facebook video, drag the script down. Let's center it as well. And I have a link pasted in my keyboard. So let's just paste it over here. And we have the video ready. Let's make this for autoplay on loading and check it out later. The design tab is exactly the same as in the YouTube one. So we'll just leave it like this for now and go on preview. As you can see, the video loads on as soon as a visitor comes. So this is the way you add videos from social media websites to your own Wix website. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.